Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. So I got a package here from my new skate sponsor, Slipz Wax. That's right, Slipz Wax is back. So just for fun, I wanted to use this knife to unbox it.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Damn, he's definitely got me on that one. Use this knife instead. Because that's not a knife. This is a knife. So we'll use my Crocodile Dundee knife to open this package. Hopefully I don't ruin anything on the inside. That should be good enough to open this bad boy up. Oh, wow. Holy smokes, there's so much wax. Look at it all.
Holy shit.
Oh, holy smokes. Alright, so we got tons of wax from Slipz Wax. They got different shapes, like this one here, which is kind of like a bird, kind of like a chickie from a chicken. Got a couple of those. Got the new Slipz Wax business logo on the card inside this package, and this one's a ghost shape. We even got like Easter egg shapes here. Oh, these ones are actually really nice. They got these different flower shaped ones with different colors that are layered. Got some more flowers and some chickies. This one's actually really cool. It's a little mini heart. I'll show you. Look at that. It's actually a heart. Look at that detail. You got a heart wax. I really like their new Slipz Wax business cards. The light I got right now is reflecting off of it, but they look really good. If you didn't know, I actually created and designed that logo for Slipz Wax, which is really rad that they're using it. A whole stack of business cards to hand out to all my friends and associates. Ooh, and a nice silver bag. I wonder what's in there. Ooh, that looks really nice. Oh, look at that one. That one's sick. Look at that. Massive melted apple skull design. And it's got like 3 different color layers on there. That's a chunk of wax. We got sparkles in it. That's really cool. Got the special slip wax, apple wax, as you can see there. That's a really cool design. We got the heart, the baby chick. That's the baby chick right there. And that's actually a big chunk of wax as well. Flower design. Let's see if we can get it on the camera there. The flower design. Really high detailed, and it's got sparkles in different colors. Different baby chickies. Oh, the ghost one. You guys gotta see the ghost one. It's the ghost one right there. Look at that detail. That's actually really cool. That's a good chunk of wax too. Of course, the Easter egg design, as you can kind of see there. But yeah, Slipz Wax is incredible. Thank you so much for the sponsor package. Slipz Wax was designed by skateboarders for skateboarders, so it works really good. Massive skate sponsor Slip Wax package. I really appreciate this. I should do a giveaway. What do you guys think? You should comment down below if you think I should give away some of this wax in a video. If you haven't seen it or checked it out, here is actually my Slipz Wax Welcome to the Team video. Honestly use slip wax every time I go and skate. Every time I hit up a ledge, I give it a nice coat and it makes it nice and buttery. If you skateboard, you know how annoying it is when you go to do a slide or a grind and it just sticks. So you get a little bit of Slipz Wax, rub it on there, cake it on there, and you're just going like butter. It's just so nice. So if you're interested in getting some of the Slipz Wax yourself, you can definitely hit them up on Instagram. It sucks that my light is actually reflecting that pretty bad right now. Instagram is at Slipz Skate Wax, and it's Slipz with a Z. Slipz Wax. So once again, huge shout out and thank you to Slipz. I really appreciate this. And if you want to get some of your wax, definitely hit them up. They got some really good deals. I think it's like 6 chunks for like 30-40 bucks. Don't quote me on that, but definitely go hit them up on Instagram and you'll see for yourself. Oh, and there might be possibly a Chad Sinclair skate wax coming out in the future, a signature wax, so stay tuned for that. If you guys get some of that, you're definitely not only supporting my sponsor, but you'll be supporting me as well. Get the wax if you skate, or heck, you could probably even put a wick in it and use it as a candle. Shout out and thank you to Slipz Wax. I really appreciate it, and you all know what to do. Like this video, comment down below with your thoughts about this, as well as if you want me to give away some skate wax to all of you. Click that subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe. God bless you all. Take care and peace out.